Hello ClickDesigns affiliates, Diane here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and grab your affiliate links from JVZoo. Visit jvzoo.com and then create an account. Click on Start for Free and then go ahead and fill out the form. After that, click on Register. Make sure to activate your account by verifying your email and logging into your account just to make sure. Once you've confirmed your account, visit clickdesigns.com/jz/invite. Then, hover over to the right side and click on Affiliate Sign-up. You will see a page that looks like this. Scroll down and then fill out the Request Permission form. Add your ClickDesigns account email and then indicate that you would like to promote ClickDesigns as an affiliate. Don't forget to tick all the appropriate radio buttons, including CAPTCHA. Then when you're done ticking them, click on Request Approval. After your request for approval, you will receive an email to confirm that your request has been approved. Then you can log into your JVZoo account, scroll down, and click on Access Approved Products. Here you will see the entire ClickDesigns funnel. This is a list of your approved products. Hover over ClickDesigns Graphics and Designs Made Easy, and then click on Get Link. This is your unique affiliate URL. Make sure to copy that, and then right after that, click on Close. After copying your affiliate link, you can now use it and paste this link on your emails, blog posts, YouTube video descriptions, ad campaigns, and promos to earn commissions from ClickDesigns. Don't forget to check out all our done-for-you affiliate tools and use them for your promotion. That's how easy it is to get started as a ClickDesigns affiliate.